In this video, we'll see how to install market profile charts from 50charts.in. Open your browser, go to 50charts.in. You can go through the features of 50 charts. The profiles are available in daily, weekly and monthly. The TPO size can be set to auto. So whenever you change the script, you don't need to worry about changing the auto TPO size. All important price zones are displayed: point of control, value area high, value area low, initial balance, open, close, open of all 30-minute candles. You can also look into high volume zones. All these are highly customizable with high performance. Click on Try It Now. There will be two options, one for 32-bit and 64-bit. If you have 32-bit Amibroker, go for 32-bit. If you have 64-bit Amibroker, go for 64-bit. If you don't know whether you have 32-bit or 64-bit Amibroker, open Amibroker, go to Help, then About Amibroker. There you will see whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Since I have 32-bit Amibroker, I'm going for 32-bit Amibroker. Give the contact details, your name, your email ID, then your mobile number. Click on Download. That's it. The plugin will be downloaded. Open it. So the windows will say whether you want to install it anyway. Just give Run anyway. Give Next. Since it is a 32-bit plugin, it will be installed in Program Files x86. Within that, there will be Amibroker folder. Give Next. That's it. The installation is done. Now open Amibroker. For the first time, there will be a warning message. Just give OK. Then give to Windows, Charts. There will be a folder called 50 Charts. Open it. The plugin will be available there. You can remove the price, right click, delete indicator price, then either drag and drop or double click on the plugin. That's it. So you can change the profile to weekly profile. You can change the profile to monthly profile. You can change the TPO size by tapping on the shift key, then dragging the price. So the TPO size will be changed automatically and the chart will be redrawn automatically, all in real time. You can change the stock. The chart will be drawn in real time. There is no waiting time. That's it. Make use of the charts and have a good day. Thanks.